What do you think about the Epstein death case? Will it be investigated? Wow. You know, the Epstein case is crazy. All right. Okay, now here will totally be demonetized, right, Kyle? If you say the word Epstein on a video, you automatically will be demonetized, and you will be found not to be suitable for advertisers because it's too controversial, is what YouTube will tell you. It's crazy what YouTube will tell you. Usually it's some machine that automatically does it, and Epstein is one of those words, so we might as well say it. Epstein, Epstein, Epstein. Epstein, the death, all right? First of all, the fact that this guy got the deal that he did down in Florida, he's originally charged in a federal case, and he gets, a sweetheart deal, does a little bit of jail on work release. He's still hobnobbing with all of the super rich and powerful, has his picture taken everywhere. I would love to see the evidence log from the raid on the home in the island off the coast of Florida, down there in the Bahamas, I guess it is, the New York house, as well as what was in New Mexico. Apparently, the whole house was covered inch to inch with video cameras, and apparently everything was recorded. And, there's been theories that he perhaps blackmailed a lot of people, or maybe he was just a really good financial advisor with a real weird, kinky side to him. Who knows, right? But the reality of it is there were a lot of people that he hung out with. And, people can say, hey, he pled guilty, he did his time, but the reality is he looked like he was still engaging in the conduct that got him in trouble in the first place. And, for all these people that are so super smart, you would think they would try to distance themselves from him because of what was being seen, the appearance of impropriety. And, it's just, it's just bizarre. So the fact that it's, for lack of a better term, a perfect storm, where he's in this the Manhattan Federal Correctional Facility. He's been on a suicide watch. He's been taken off a suicide watch. 2 of the 3 cameras apparently just happened to go down. The Bureau of Prisons correctional officers just happened to be trying to kill himself. They've been trying to, while Epstein's trying to kill himself, they're internet shopping or falling asleep, the perfect storm, so to speak. And then you have somebody like Dr. Bodden, who is a renowned forensic pathologist, handled, thousands of cases, lots of high-profile cases, looks at it, and he basically says, I'm probably 80, I think he said is 85 to 90% sure this guy did not commit suicide. It makes you wonder, okay? Is it possible that the guy committed suicide? He just happened to do everything right? Yeah, it's possible. Does it look suspicious? Yes. Will people be constantly and forever saying that there was a conspiracy to kill him? Well, sure. Because once again, why? They're not releasing all of the information, right? The government works for us. They should release all this stuff, all right? And, my God, the feds, why does it always take years for an investigation to take place? Could you imagine? I'm surprised there's anything ever gets done in D.C. The bureaucracy of it there, in the federal government. Like what do these people do all day? I mean, there's only a couple of witnesses. There's video. How long does it take to do these investigations? Then release the information to the public so that we can decide, not be told what we're supposed to see. Oh, Prince Andrew. Hey, Prince Andrew, man, I saw that interview. Oh, my God. Whoever told him to go and do that interview, hopefully is fired. I think they actually resigned. I mean, he, what did they say? He looked like, a prostitute in church kind of thing. I mean, he was sweating like oh, my gosh. Bad. And he's basically been fired from his royal duties. Everybody knows that this guy's not telling the truth at all. It's just weird. So leave it at that.